Melt our person. Let's see. Person.
I'll drop
Oh no! Oh no!
It's dissolved on my cotton candy. Yes, dissolved.
Doesn't like math.
Oh my god. Can I keep my person alive? What's the most funniest thing on it? You just take it. Love has melted.
This experiment is a physical reaction. Remember, in a chemical reaction, you produce a new compound in the process, and there are usually signs of a chemical reaction, such as producing an odor, forming bubbles, forming a solid, seeing a change in temperature, or even seeing a change in the color. Remember, a chemical reaction produces a new substance by breaking and rearranging atoms. But a physical reaction does not involve making a new compound. In a physical reaction, a physical change occurs, so the substance may look different, like sugar dissolving into water. In this example, the sugar is still sugar and the water is still water. And if you allow the water to evaporate, you can recover the dry sugar. The styrofoam looks like it's melting, but it's actually dissolving in the acetone. Kind of like sugar dissolving in water. Styrofoam is mostly air, which is why there's so little material left after it dissolves in the acetone. But don't take my word for it, try it for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, future scientists. The best way to get rid of this is to let it evaporate.
Okay.
We use less than 1/4 cup at one time, and you just let it evaporate, and that is how we dispose of acetone in small amounts. Bigger than 1/4 cup, you may need hazardous waste disposal.